Let's get ready to rumble! That's right, we're back. I guess you thought we weren't coming back at all, but we are back with the crack. That's right. We got some boxing coming up that's pretty good. We took a break because there wasn't shit going on in boxing, and you know, boxing still sucks. And the fight that we want to see, kind of want to see, ain't started yet, but we're here for it. Canelo versus Terrence Bud Crawford. Let's see what goes down. We'll talk to y'all when we get closer to the fight. Boom, we out of here. Hey.